Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Today's recipe comes from Goa. Goan fish curry is a perfect combination of spicy and coconut flavors. It's sweet, tangy and spicy curry packed with coastal flavors. So without any further delay, let's learn the art of making perfect and authentic Goan fish curry. We'll have a quick look at the list of ingredients. 2 tablespoon chili powder, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon peppercorn, half teaspoon methi, 1 teaspoon cumin, half cup grated coconut, small lemon sized tamarind, 7 to 8 garlic cloves, 4 green chilies, 2 onions finely chopped, 500 gram fish, 1 inch ginger, 2 tomatoes, 2 cups coconut milk. So first we'll marinate the fish. Wash fish with water, drain well and add it to a medium size mixing bowl. Along with we'll add half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric. Mix well to coat the fish. Now we'll keep the bowl aside for 15 minutes. Take tamarind in a bowl of water and soak it for 15 minutes. Now we'll make the ground masala paste. In a mixer jar, add methi, peppercorn, cumin, chili, garlic, onion, ginger, coconut and grind everything to a smooth paste. Now for preparing the curry, we'll heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil, methi, 2 green chilies and half a cup of onions. Fry until the onions are translucent. Now we'll add the ground masala paste and saute it for 1 or 2 minutes. After that we will add the turmeric powder, dhania powder, chili powder and saute it well. Now we can pour the tomato puree or you can also add chopped tomatoes. Cook for 1 minute and add salt as per your taste. The gravy has to cook well. Now the tomatoes are cooked. Add tamarind water and 2 cups of normal water. Stir everything together and cover the pan with a lid and cook for 6 to 8 minutes until the oil starts to separate on the sides of the vessel. In this stage we can check salt, spice taste and we can adjust it according to our taste. Now stir the mixture and add the pieces of fish. Cook for 1 or 2 minutes on low flame. Now we will add the 2 cups of coconut milk and give a stir. Cook for half a minute on low flame. Now it's done. We'll transfer to a platter and garnish with coriander leaves. It can be served with a bowl of rice. The combination of Goan fish curry has gained popularity and it's one of the most searched fish curry all over India. It can be eaten as part of lunch or dinner. Friends, try this authentic fish curry and comment me in the comment section. Thank you all for watching this video.